Everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to start selling on Depop. In order to start selling on Depop, you'll have to follow the steps. First thing, go to log in into your account, or you need to open up a browser, type in depop.com, and you need to start by creating your account. So press the sign up button and verify that you're human. And next page, you need to start creating or registering your account. So when you've actually done or pressed on the sign up button, then it's going to take you to the field where you can either select whether you want to do it with your Google ID or an Apple account, or manually enter in the email address. So click on continue with either of these procedure, and you need to start with the registration. So as per the registration, all you have to do is you need to go ahead and register or verify your identity. First of all, provide your personal details and a contact details. Moving on, you need to go and verify your identity, and then you need to confirm the terms and condition. So when you've actually done with that procedure, then you need to start selecting an item from a wardrobe and start clicking a picture or taking a picture of an item that you want to sell. Then you need to list out the item that you wish to sell. So take a good picture of it, mention the price, criteria, all of that, and you need to also add a payment method, suggestion, all that, and you'll have started selling on Depop. So in this way you can start selling on Depop. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.